Introducing SSEGPL's comfort pipe bending machine used for cold bending process in oil-gas pipeline construction. In this procedure of cold bending, the pipe is inserted inside the machine with the help of Hydra. Our specialty of winch system is provided for the traveling of the pipe inside bending machine. After arranging the pipe, SSEGPL's hydraulic wedge mandrel is used inside the pipe. The mandrel is utilized to prevent any wrinkles or damage to the pipe while bending process. The pipe is arranged inside the machine with marking as per the bending degree requirement to implement an appropriate punch to gain desired degree of bend. The die set of different size, which varies from 6 inches to 26 inches, are used as per the pipe diameter for the cold bending procedure. This die set having 3 dies to pin up die, 1 center die. Here we can see the accurate measurement of bend on pipe by magnetic digital degree measuring instrument for the same. An appropriate digging is done at the end of the bending machine because the bending direction of the pipe is downward to the earth's crust. The bending procedure is totally depend on the hydraulic power jack provided below the center die. This hydraulic jack is operated with hydraulic power pack which is attached with the bending machine. The center die attached with hydraulic jack pushes the pipe in upward direction followed by two pin-up die from the center die on both ends, hence a single punch is produced. For desired degree of bend, and appropriate punches are required on pipe for an accurate cold pipe bending. Up to 20 degrees of bend can be obtained with SSEGPL's comfort pipe bending machine. The pull-through technique is used to examine the pipe bending by pulling method from one end to other end through pipe. This method gives an accurate idea of bending without any wrinkles on the pipe.